Welcome to our channel, Vayuyaan. Learn about breadboards applications, types, and working. Breadboards are essential tools in electronics, allowing for easy circuit testing and prototyping without the need for soldering, ideal for beginners. Breadboards come in various types, each suited for different prototyping needs. Solderless breadboards. Solderable breadboards, protoboards. Advantages: ease of use, reusability, quick testing, no damage, visual wiring. Limitations: instability, messy wiring, voltage drops, not for permanence. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel